Hey guys, welcome back. Just a quick one today. Today we're going to replace this gas pressure water pump. Now the pump is the thing that bolts in from the bottom that you hook your hoses to and all that good stuff. The motor runs it. There's my new pump, bought off of Amazon. I'll put a link to that in the description. Here's my old pump into pieces, and we can go over real quick why it failed. I won't spend too much time on this, but this is the pump head. It normally mounts onto this. This is the part that mounts up to the engine, kind of holds everything in place. It looks like maybe, you can tell this is all broken through here, that maybe water built up in there over the winter and froze and cracked all that up, is my guess is what happened. I don't know really, because I got this one for free, and when I hooked it up and tested it, the engine was working great, pump was spraying out like crazy, and this had flown off and water had sprayed everywhere. So that may be it. This is not very thick metal in here, and let's take a look at the new one and see what it looks like. This pump is a little different design, I would say. The pump head is. It doesn't have the same 3 bolts in it to hold it together, so hopefully it's not going to fail in the same place. These pumps are pretty cheap though. I think this one was around 60, almost 70 bucks on Amazon Prime, so link to that in the description. I just threw my bolts in there. You can see that one coming up. You might be able to see it from underneath just to hold the engine on. All I'm going to do is take this, flip it around, put it on, screw it back in, and then we'll be able to test it out. One quick thing I forgot to mention, you can see that's where the motor shaft goes in. It's keyed like that. The new one has a key like that. That's going to be the hardest part about getting this thing on. Under here, the shaft, the key is right here. I don't know if you can see that, but we're going to line that up, push it up in there, and then get our bolts started. Okay guys, to do this job, I just used a 13mm wrench, and I think that's a 6mm. Let's see if we can get an eyeball on that. Yeah, it's a 6mm. It's probably not gonna be easy for you to see. Allen, hex key, whatever you want to call it. Super easy. That's all I did. I got it bolted up under there. I didn't video that. It's boring watching you put 3 bolts in. But one thing I did do is I measured all this up before I ordered. If we look here, you can see it has all of its measurements right here, and made sure it matched to what my old pump was. And another thing is, like, I looked at, since the pump head is just bad, I looked at replacing that. I think I did a short about this probably. I think it came out already. If not, you'll see it soon. That pump head is expensive compared to the entire pump unit, which is crazy to me. Like, this thing I think was almost a little over $100 just to, you know, buy that part and replace it, whereas the entire unit together, which is what we see on the new one, there's the head and that's the pump, it was like $67. So no brainer just to go buy a new pump. I did want to let you know too, everything threaded up. My handle, which goes in here on the output, threaded up fine. This is a check valve, a safety valve, pressure valve, whatever they call those. And then my hose goes in here. I think we're all set. We're ready to go. It's been sprinkling out here today, so I'm probably not going to test this today, but I'll see if I can get some footage of using it and update how it works. Well, one more thing. One thing I'm going to do is just go through and tighten these periodically, since these were the factory bolts originally. I just reused my factory bolts. It did come with bolts, but these I decided to reuse because I know they're the right length and everything. I'll probably go around and tighten those periodically just to make sure that those don't vibrate loose. I really like this pressure washer. It has a really good Honda engine on it, and engine's great, working great. Just the pump gave out on me. So anyway, that's where we are. We'll get some video of it running. Hey guys, sorry for the noise, but this works. I think we're gonna call this one a success. Well, hey guys, there you go. 2 sections done. That's just water. I could probably do a little better job, but that is so much better. So this pump's working. Pretty easy fix, pretty cheap fix. Follow your normal starting procedures and all that. You know, these gas ones, they have to certain order that they have to start in, you know, clearing the air and all that good stuff. Water on, clearing the air. So That way you don't ruin your new pump. But looks like one of my bolts did vibrate loose though. Look down there. Huh. Yeah, so you're gonna want to put some Loctite or something on those, and I'll have to go back and do that on these. So just an update to that already. Didn't even have to do another video. So anyway, we're good to go on this pump. We'll keep rocking. See you.